Chuck Crosby Law Office, Tammy's friend, lost a deal when a $15,000 contractor lien surfaced at closing. We're getting a lot of these I guess these are
Mhm.
problems that are occurring. We got this email from Tammy. She wants to know, how can buyers protect themselves so it doesn't happen to them after spending money on inspections and appraisals? So I'm guessing here now, the friend went through appraisals, went through inspections,
And
and then they
then
found
gets
out
to
a
closing
lien.
and they find out there's a lien.
Yeah.
Yeah, we call that the drunken bricklayer lien. They know that a closing's coming up. It's a new construction. They were fired from the job or something, and so they're just trying to create trouble. They'll file a lien for however much money, and that will stop a closing. How do buyers protect themselves? Well, from that you really can't. That's one of the things that you're just not going to know about. Certainly, you want to get title insurance so that if this kind of thing comes up afterwards or it was missed, let's say that the folks doing the closing didn't update the title day of closing, that's when that stuff always happens. So always get the title insurance. But the fact is, there's ways around it. If we get the drunken bricklayer lien, which happens, the seller can go and do what they call bonding the lien off. You go to an insurance company, you get the bond, you take it to the county clerk, and then you can move forward. It's an unusual way to go, but it has worked in the past.
And that's the reason you want Chuck Crosby on speed dial. Folks,
Yeah.
for you or for friends or relatives, having him there to be able to point out the little
Yeah.
inconsistencies in the law,
Yeah,
shall I
there's
say.
always rabbits you can pull out of the hat. So I can say that after all the closings I've done, which get up into the 30,000 or more,
Well,
the fact is maybe five, six were entirely unable to close because of fill in the blank. I mean,
mhm.
sure, you get lots of liens and they say, oh, I didn't know about that. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this crazy stuff where you get the drunken bricklayer lien or you get you know fraud involved. It's anyhow.